Want to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story? In this video, I will guide you on how to do exactly that. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. You will be brought to settings and activity. Here scroll down a bit and find the option of who can see your content. Select the option of hide story and live from here. You want to select all of your followers from here, then tap on done. Now head back. Now tap on your story. Go ahead and select a photo or video that you want to add as your highlight. Now tap on your story. Now your story will be invisible to your followers. Once the story has been posted, you can simply tap on these three dots, then select highlight. Now tap on new. Add in a title and then tap on the add option. Now, as you can see, the highlight has been added and your followers won't see this as a story as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.